Hello guys, welcome back. Thank you all for stopping by. I hope you're all doing well. In today's video, of course, I'm doing an unboxing, but I wanted to talk to you a little bit about why I chose this particular item. Of course, by the title, I am unboxing a Louis Vuitton sunglass case. I went back and forth between which one I wanted because the particular glasses that I am currently wearing are these by Louis Vuitton. I'll show you what they look like. These are very large framed glasses, and I needed a case that was going to fit them nicely. Of course, when you purchase glasses by Louis Vuitton, they already come in this really bulky blue case, and I will show you in a second, but because these are so large, as you can see, they cover a lot of my face. I wanted to get a case that would fit them nicely. I was going back and forth between the other case, the one that has a little snap closure on the top that is kind of flat. I'm not sure what that's called. I know it's in the MM size that I wanted it, but I kept looking at reviews on it, and a lot of people said that it was hard to get the glasses in and out, and so I didn't want to have to deal with that, and I didn't want anything disturbing my glasses. So I went for the one I bought, and hopefully together we're gonna see if these glasses fit or not. If you were wondering what the name of these glasses are, I believe they're called lagrandebelleza, and they come in this black color, and they also come in tortoise shell. So of course I picked the black because black is my favorite color, and I wanted these large glasses for, one day you run out of the house, you don't have any makeup on, or you just go in and run some errands, go to the grocery store, you have a bun on top of your head, and you don't want to look so messy. You just pop these on, and they are so nice looking. I really, really enjoy these. They're not that heavy, but they are, they do have a little bit more weight to them than my other sunglasses. So let's move on to the unboxing. Alright, so of course I had to order online. Here's my box, and let's start here. Oh, it actually came with ribbon this time. Last time I did an unboxing, there was absolutely no ribbon due to all this that's going on. And then my receipt here and my return label. So I'm glad I got some ribbon this time. I didn't get an envelope for my receipt though, which is weird. But whatever. Okay, so it comes in this little draw box. And I like to pull the ribbon off to the side just like that, because then I can never tie it back up. Whenever I want to put the box back up, I can never tie it back the way it was. So I just pull it off to the side, and then I just redo it. But anyway. Your little dust bag, and ta-da! So I picked the Eclipse Monogram. They do offer this in the regular brown monogram with red trimming on the bottom, but like I said, my favorite color is black, so I decided to go with these because I know I'm going to be carrying this around everywhere, and I just love black a lot more. So this is what it looks like if you are interested. The SKU number is GI0296. There it is right there. Alright, so let's get on with this. So it has a snap closure there, snap and magnetic closure. The inside is super soft, feeling like microfiber. And the big question is, will these glasses fit? So let's see. I did measure prior to buying it, and according to my measurements they fit, but yay, they fit perfect. They fit so nicely in there. Ooh. But they're not closing right. I'm scared to stuff them in here, okay? Okay, they closed, but I kind of had to force it closed. Maybe as the leather stretches, it'll be better because of course this is canvas, but this right here is calf leather. So let me try this again. Okay. Okay. Well, it's not too bad. I do believe it'll stretch. So I really like this card holder. Card holder. Did you hear me? I meant eyeglass case, sunglass case. It's super pretty. I really like the black, the monogram Eclipse. I really like it. Let me tell you some measurements on it. So the length is 6.50, the height is 2.93, and the width is 1.18. And this one is called the Woody Glasses case. And like I said before, it does come in the monogram canvas with the red calf leather down here instead. So the brown canvas with the red down here, which is super pretty as well. But I did go with this one, and I am actually really happy with my purchase. I'm pretty sure it's going to stretch out a little bit so that I can get my glasses in a little bit more comfortably, and actually that already closed a lot better. Yeah, okay, there you go. So it was just the initial getting in there that was a little bit of a struggle, but I'm really happy with it, and I am definitely keeping this because I wanted something nice and sturdy for these glasses. Let me show you though the box that these glasses came in and why I do not want to carry it. Alright, so when I purchased my sunglasses, they came in this big, beautiful blue box. And it's super pretty and luxurious feeling, but this thing is huge. Like, who the heck is gonna stick this in their bag unless you're carrying a Neverfull or another big tote, or I don't know. I just don't want to carry this. This is large, like so big, and they all come like that in that big box. So this is a lot better. You can keep in your car, you can stick it in a purse. And I don't have to worry too much about my sunglasses. But yeah guys, that is pretty much it for today's video. If you are looking to buy these sunglass case in particular, I would say to go ahead. Of course, these glasses are so big, and probably the ones you have aren't that big. But if they are, just know they will fit, and if they're smaller, they'll fit even better. So I really like it. If you want to purchase these, then I think you should, because they're really nice. Alright guys, that's the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed it, please give me a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe. As I said, that does help me a lot. I will leave 2 of my other videos linked right up here so that you can continue watching me. I hope that you guys are enjoying my content so far. I do enjoy making these videos for you, and I will see you in my next one. Thank you.